lat pull-down is a great way to build upper body strength. It's also a great way, if you can't do a pull-up or a chin-up yet, to build strength so that you can actually do that without having to pull up your actual body weight. So what I like to do is grab just out shoulder width height, and from here you're going to grab the bar and take a seat. Now the big thing here is you first want to pull your shoulder blades down into this good position, and then from there you'll pull the bar to your sternum. Okay? We're not trying to lean backward. This is a vertical pull, not a horizontal pull. So pull down the shoulder blades and pull it to the top of the sternum. One cue to think about is think about breaking the bar in half. As you bring it, you think about breaking the bar in half. That'll help kind of engage the scap without really having to break it down. Once you get good at it, you want to make it one fluid motion. So in one motion, shoulder blades down and pull.